Fire extinguishers are located in the cabin. Operation of the device is recorded on the equipment itself. We shall be taking off shortly, so please straighten up your seats. Make sure your seat belt is securely fastened, window shades up, and your tray table stowed. At this time, please turn off all portable electronic devices, most especially your cellular phones. You're only allowed to switch your cell phones on flight mode after the seatbelt sign has been switched off.
Make crew prepare for departure, thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Flight 5J212. We are bound for Mactan, Cebu. Welcome aboard.
She'll be taking off shortly, so please straighten up your seats. Make sure your seat belts are securely fastened, window shades up, and your tray table stowed. Please be advised that this is a no-smoking flight. Philippine Civil Aviation regulations require strict observance of the lighted passenger information signs, such as the no smoking and the fasten seatbelt signs. Electronic devices such as smartphones, laptop computers, iPods, or MP3 players may be used, but must be turned on only after takeoff when the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. These electronic devices must be switched off prior to landing when the fasten seatbelt sign is turned on. Thank you. Ipinakita po namin sa inyo ang wastong paggamit ng seatbelt, life vest at oxygen mask. Ipinakikiusap po namin inyong basahin ang safety instruction card na nasa bulsa ng upuan sa inyong harapan at inyo pong pag-aralang mabuti ang mga labasan para sa sandaling kakailanganin natin ito. Sa loob ng ilang sandali, tayo ay lilipad na. Mangyari po lamang na ituwid ang inyong mga upuan, tiklupin ang mga mesa, itaas ang mga tabing ng bintana at ikabit ang inyong seatbelt. Para sa inyong kaalaman, ang paninigarilyo ay ipinagbabawal sa kabuuan ng ating paglalakbay, maging sa loob ng palikuran. Sundin po lamang ang mga kautusan ukol sa kaligtasan para sa inyong kapakanan. Ang mga electronic devices tulad ng smartphones, laptop computers, iPods at MP3 players ay maaari lamang gamitin kapag tayo ay lumilipad na at ang fasten seatbelt sign ay tinanggal na. Siguraduhin po lamang na nakasara ang mga ito bago tayo lumapag. Salamat po. In compliance with Philippine Civil Aviation regulations, the crew will take their seats in preparation for takeoff. We will attend to your needs as soon as the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Alinsunod sa patakaran ng Philippine Civil Aviation, ang inyong mga cabin crew ay mauupo na bilang paghanda sa ating paglipad. Amin pong tutugunan ang inyong mga pangangailangan matapos matanggal ang fasten seatbelt sign.